Turn my headphones up. All I need is one mic.
Mr. Radio Land, Internet World, listeners, are you ready? Are you ready for showtime? One mic, a showtime now. Artists, take it away.
Nothing else matters, she said. Ignore all that. Hey, the greatest thing is that she read this video. Straight away, straight and plain, Inezi representing, you know. One mic, and I mean, up full. Hey, yo, yeah. Cause she needs me. Yeah. Hey. Produced by Global Beats. Brand new. The greatest thing is that she rate this king over bling. She no care about the latest thing. This feeling come from deep within it, so satisfying. And she no practice line. By night she no do no flying. They can never come between this thing, no matter what they're trying. Oh, says she needs me and she won't let me go. Oh, what she sees in me, I don't really know. Oh, sometimes I'm so selfish, so unfair. But she don't care, I know the money, but she still stick with this. Never quit and never split. I am who I am, just a man, but I can be a bomb or like a sinking sun. Or maybe a man without a blinking plan, skipping the beginning or the end of the song. Hey, she ever listening and filling in the missing lines, making me realize without her I'm just half of a man, and she could be the only one. My only plan, she needs me. She won't let me go. What she sees, I don't really know. But I'm so selfish, so unfair. But she no care, I have the money, but she still stick with this. Never quit and never split. Hey, one mic ladies, Inezi representing me. You're as real as can be, girl. She's a D, Empress divine. Alright then, she won't let me go. Straight away. Think Inezi, think easy. Think. One mic. Hey, picture this in your brain, get a pic of this. Like a slideshow flicker it. Take a look like a book now from every angle. Can you manage it? Trying to escape reality, said them sick of it. Wizards and witch in it, very rich in it. Genetically cloning it, like a dog with no bone in it. Oh, in a this ya jungle, no time to be humble. Straight away, straight and plain. Think Inezi, think Inezi, think easy. Think Global Beats. Hey, picture this in your brain, get a pic of this. Like a slideshow flicker it. Take a look like a book now from every angle. Can you manage it? Trying to escape reality, said them sick of it. We saw us witching it and very rich in it. Genetically cloning it, like a dog with no bone in it. Oh, in a this ya jungle, no time to be humble, this ya jungle. Can't fight, learn to run. Oh, no fall, no stumble. In a this a jungle. Oh, no time to be humble, this a jungle. No fall, no stumble, no mix up with none. It learns to run. No sun will shine in my day to day, Bob say. Hey, hey, I sit and I watch the light slip away. Yeah, 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 yo. Those who dwell in the dark will soon come out to play. I tell you straight, with nowhere to run makes no sense. You shoot what you can't kill with a gun. In a this a jungle war, no time to be humble. This a jungle. Can't fight, learn to run. Run, no fall, no stumble, do no stumble war. In a this a jungle, one mic. No time to be humble. Oh, no fall, no stumble, no mix up with none. Learn to run. Oh, yeah. Find the strongest warrior and make them your friend. Mama say, yeah, yo. Nothing strong was built in a day. Oh. It devise your time wisely and attack when the time is right, precisely. No matter what might be, got a price to pay likely. In a this no time to be humble, this can't fight, learn, no fall, no stumble. Hey, yo. In a this jungle war, no time to be humble, this a jungle. Hey, no fall, no stumble, no mix up with none. Hey, learn. In a this no
DJ
such
Neil,
thing as
what
say
mic that
straight away. Hadis, one mic, straight to the heart of the mind we are target. Sending love to you, you're a star. Black out all negative talk, keep the eyes sharp. Let no one stop your ascension. Positive mindset, mind check on everything ablaze. See, you've been minding your own business, releasing all the cares. And when it's red, that when it's dread a steal. You are the fire starter and the fire cooler same time. Remember that. Remember to love your brother, man. Love your sisters always. And with good energy, vibrating frequently. Now if you lose away, if you get no major pay, love too much sweeter, end up with a tooth decay. And integrity will face oppression. Must honesty shall meet deception. Trust the physician and take your medicine silently. Hey, listen to the voice within. Well, a red. Hey, hey, when it's red a heart, and dread a heart still. You are the fire starter and the fire cooler same time. Red, remember to love your brother, man. Love your sisters always. And with good energy, vibrating frequently. We all have to share this planet Earth with equal rights and truth. Hey, justice of the work. Hey, action speaks louder than words. Be the right example, no turd. Hey, Mother Nature don't set it, none can upset it. Flow with the tide, don't take that ride. Holding on to pride, only you can decide. Well, red, dread and steel. You are the fire starter and the fire cooler same time. Red, remember to love your brother, man. Love your sisters always. And with good energy, vibrating frequently. And pray. Yeah, man, big up the whole family, man. And we have say one mic, you know. You know it, God. Alright then, where do we come from? What are we? Where are we going? It's easy as one triada. Father, mother, future, the Trinity. Just cause you lose your way doesn't mean you lost forever. No have to bear the cross forever. And if you have to fight, fight the right fight. Tell them bring it on, whatever. Hey, we no pity the dead, the living me sorry for all who are live without love in a them, yeah. You see, the more things change, more they remain the same. Remain the same, oh. Hey man, no pity the dead, the living me sorry for all who are live without love in a them, yeah, time, yeah. Hey, more things change, more they remain the same. Remain the same, oh. Like vultures, they can pet our own night. Basic needs, basic necessities. So why sky, I. You know see it, oh. You know see it, oh. You know see them put it dead over people. I tell you say you're good over evil. Can't push a mule to a needle. Hey man, no pity the dead, the living me sorry for. Sorry for all who are live without love in a them ya time, yeah. Time, yeah, hey, them ya time, yeah. Whoa, more things change, but they remain the same, oh. More things change, but they remain the same. Remain. I speak to you, society. The further you drift from the truth, and the more you hate the truth teller. Sound is the basis of shape, a word, sound, and power. We are talking about a ultimate reality, divinity, spirituality. Straight away, yeah. Hey man, no pity the dead, the living me sorry for all who are live without love. One mic I tell them say, oh I love and do it straight away. Hey, more things change, but they remain the same. Oh, more straight away.
Yeah.
Inezi represent.
Inezi in the building. Inezi, you still have one more song to perform, but now we just have a quick, you see me, a quick reasoning before you drop the other song. You know what I mean? We're live on YouTube. You don't know Jamaica walk by. I tell you, I see some comments are going, say beautiful voice, yo in bad. So big up to Lady J locked in, big up to Douglas. I see you coming to Douglas family. And I say Alan too. A whole heap of fire emotion and beer things I don't know, of course. But yeah, the name Inezi, see there? Alright, just talk on the microphone.
Inezi, but you know what it's really, I ain't easy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But at the same time, you know, me is an easy going, an easy spirit type of youth here, isn't it?
Alright.
Balance.
It's a good look. Alright, so professionally you're doing music since 2004, so that's like 20 years ago. How the journey been like since, from them time till now?
It's been a while, you know, bro. I mean, like, you know, music is a, you know, bittersweet road, you know, we travel it still, cause something we love, so we do it forever, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for real. Alright, so tell us though, what are your musical influence? Cause we hear the sound, you know what I mean? The unique sound there, so.
Alright, music, my influences now, I don't know, you know. I think it's all of the ancient artists that we grew up listening to, you know.
Yeah.
Because I mean, we've been singing from a long time, you know, from child days, you know. So we grew up on all of the greats, man. You know, the Bob, the Burning Spear, you know, everything. We listen to all genre growing up, man.
Yeah, and you have to describe your sound and your writing technique with that too, you know, because we can hear it different.
Well, Inezi flow, you know what I mean? That me can call it. It's
Inezi
flow.
Get it right, Neil. Yeah, Inezi. That is
man.
it.
Inezi flow, man.
Inezi flow. Alright, so tell us some of the producers you work with. We see that you work with Global Beat Studio, and a couple other producers. If you can name some of them, and what it's like working with these producers.
Alright, we do, Global Beats, we do a nice EP named Pain and Pleasure EP. You know, it's a nice vibe, it's a nice mix of, you know, soul music, you know, something for everybody on it, mixed with the reggae, you know what I mean? So it's a smooth reggae styled EP, you know, mixed with that, with some Caribbean style, you know, and Afrobeat, and, you know what I mean? We fuse it up and mix it up, so, you know, it's a good experience working with Global Beats and every other producer I've been working with. Addis Record from Switzerland, you know, and, you know, Silly Walks, and, you know, all the greats, man. You know, my vice with Steven them already, same way, and you know, Zinc Fence, same way, and, you know, that Teflon Zinc Fence, yeah.
Alright, so as I said that too, tell us about the places you've been to, I mean, performing.
Well, you know, I've been doing music, bro, I mean, like, it's a long way, you know, because coming up, we used to start out seeing gospel, you know, within our group named H5, you know what I mean? So,
right.
You know, we come up through all of that, you know what I mean? Rising stars, same way, you know what I mean? We come up in the final, same way, top 5 and all them something there. So, you know, we do the Magnum and thing coming up, so, I mean, it's been a journey and a whole heap of places, you know what I mean? And we're still here right now, one mic.
Alright, so tell us what you're working on right now currently, or what we can look out for coming up.
Alright, right now we have this brand new song named She Needs Me, right now, you know what I mean?
And you performed the first song that you performed.
Yeah, the first song that I did, Go Get It, you know what I mean? We have some fresh things right now, you know, because Inezi just keep releasing music. So right now, we have some new singles for drop. We don't really going to let nothing out of the bag yet, so, you know, look out, keep eyes open.
Alright, so just tell us where we can find you on social media to keep up with Inezi.
Yeah, man, Inezi Flow Official.
Right.
And get the spelling right, Inezi. You know what I mean? Flow, FLOWOFFICIAL Official, all in one word. Inezi Official, you know what I mean? You know, find me on all digital platforms, you know what I mean? Check out all the producers I work with, man, and you find Inezi. Google Inezi, you know what I mean? Inezi YouTube, same way, Inezi Official YouTube. You know?
Alright, that is it, people. I'm done now. I'm going to drop one more before him, you don't know, exit the building, but him not gone too far, because of course, you don't know, at the end of the show, I have the freestyle segment with Inezi, Kareem Charisma, sound boy in the building, so you don't want me to start, but Inezi, give me one more again.
Think easy, think Inezi, think Inezi, think easy. The greatest weapon in the hands of the oppressor is the minds of the oppressed, yes. If you overstand the beginning, well, the end won't be a problem. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there, I swear, oh. Everybody can. Think easy, think Inezi, think Inezi, think easy. One mic, African proverbs. Alright then, the greatest weapon in the hands of the oppressor is the minds of the oppressed, yes. If you overstand the beginning, well, the end won't be a problem then. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there, I swear, oh. Everybody can do everything, but everybody can do something. It's the Proverbs. Hey, what have you heard? We're living in the real world of Proverbs. African Proverbs. What have you heard? We're living in the real world of Proverbs. Hey. Alright then, not true the tiger prowling proudly, no mean same timid. You see me, you see me, you see me. How you feel? I enough to protect your God, that a joke. You must see on cocoa something. Advise and counseling me if he don't listen. Let adversity teach him the thing again. Remember, ears that don't listen fall off when the head chop off. It's the proverb. What have you heard? We're living in the real world of Proverbs. African Proverbs. What have you heard? We're living in the real world of proverbs. Alright, fool speaks, the wise man listens. A man we full up of pride got no room for wisdom. Hey, one we quick for war is afraid of wisdom. Hey, remember he who learns teaches. Well, you always learn more when you lose than when you win. What a thing. Hey, you follow in your father's footstep, you learn to walk like him, you know the thing. African proverbs, what have you heard? What have you heard? What have you heard? What have you heard? Yeah. African proverbs, what have you heard? What have you heard? What have you heard? What have you heard? Yeah. African proverbs. We're living in the real world of proverbs. Hey, African proverbs. What have you heard? We're living in the real world of proverbs. One mic, give thanks. Inezi representing the proverbs. We say big up the whole works and know the settings straight. Alright then. DJ Neil, I tell you say African proverbs are there, so the thing there. Straight away, global beats in the place, you know. Alright then, African proverbs. What have you heard? We living in the real world. A one mic and a real world. You know the vibes and it's a real world. Big up everybody out there in the real world. The real world, straight away. Nothing else matters, she said. Ignore all that. The greatest thing is that she rate this king over bling. She no care about the latest thing. This feeling come from so deep within it, so satisfying. And she no practice lying. By night she no do no flying. And they can never come between this thing, no matter what they're trying. Say she needs me and she won't let me go. Oh, what she sees in me, I don't really know. Oh, sometimes I'm so selfish, so unfair. But she no care, I have no money, but she still stick with this. Never quit and never split. I am who I am, just a man, but I can be a bomb or like a sinking sun. Or maybe a man without a blinking plan, skipping the beginning, no end of the song. Hey, she ever listening and filling in the missing lines, making me realize without her I'm just half of a man, and she could be the only one.
Check.
My
Inezi, just give your live performance.